Okay, this is a diabetic camp with a difference arranged by Advocate Carlos Alvarez Ferreira, and we thought that let's do something different this time. So this camp is arranged in a particular way where every patient who has registered is given a medical file. Now this is something very important because people don't keep their medical records properly together and then they have a lot of difficulties. So we thought it was important to have a medical file. Now besides this, there is the program for the camp today which is going on. And here at this camp we have measured certain parameters which are important for the patient. They include the height, weight, waist, hips, blood pressure, and of course being a diabetic camp, the blood sugar, both preprandial and postprandial. Now what is different here is that we have given the people a good breakfast after doing their preprandial test and made them wait for 2 hours, and then they do their postprandial test, and based on their tests they meet with a dietitian, Nina Figueiredo, who is a clinical dietitian and nutritionist, and after that they meet Dr. Newman Correa, who is a leading diabetologist in Goa. There are other things also in the file, that here is a dietary record for the people so that they can follow a particular diet, and also other information like tips for correct use of insulin. So this we have tried to work towards the health of the people of Aldona, because diabetes is a serious problem.
I just want to say that this is a very good initiative, and I think it's the need of the hour to help people with their health issues. And the whole experience was very good because I felt that everyone was organized and very helpful. Oh, I think it's extremely important, especially when you get to a certain age, because to maintain your health, and medical facilities are not, medical care is not cheap, so it's important to look after your health. The arrangement? I think it was very good and people were very helpful. I just went to the nutritionist and I went to get my blood pressure because I had done a medical checkup just recently.
सगळें प्रेशर, हायट, वेट तुजी, मागीर शुगर, पोस्ट पास्ट सगळी, आनी एक बरें कॅम्प. डॉक्टरूय बरो न्यूमन, आनी तो म्हजो डॉक्टर, हांव ताकाच विजीट करता. सॉरी, इम्पॉर्टन्स तुका अवेर जावपाक. वॉट इज द रिस्क इन डायबिटीज, वॉट यू कॅन डू, हाव यू कॅन प्रिवेंट इट, वॉट यू हॅव टू ईट, वॉट तें सगळें तुका डायटिशियन आहा तो तुका सगळें एक्सप्लेन करता तुज्यान कितें खावं येता, कितें खावंक जायना तें. आनी दॅट इज अ गूड थिंग लोकांक अशें फ्री कॅम्प मेळप म्हणजे. सो यू आर अवेर अबावट डायबिटीज. इट्स अ सायलंट किलर. सो तुका तो अशें कॅम्पाक गेली म्हणटच लोकांक बऱ्याक पडटा. गांवच्या सगळो लोक अवेर आसना न्ही, बरी ना. आनी एक बरें हें तें, आनी लोकांक डॉक्टराक मेळोंक खूब फावटी मारगांव वयचें पडटात. सो हांगा येवन मेळप म्हणजे बरें.
हांव ग्रेगरी करवालो हांचो आयज पयलेच फावट दोतोर कालुसान डायबिटीज कॅम्प ऑर्गनायज केला इन कोलॅबोरेशन विथ आल्दोना इन्स्टिट्यूट. खूब बरें दिसलें. हांवूय हांगा आयलो म्हजें चॅक करपाक. खुबसो लोक आयलो. आय थिंक म्हाका दिसता 200 लोक पूण आयलो आसतलो. एंड इट वॉज वेरी नायस. एंड पयलेच फावटी हो दोतोर, फामाद दोतोर न्यूमॅन, हो आल्दोनान खरें म्हणशात तो मारगांव आसता, पणजे येतालो आदीं पूण आतां येना. आतां मारगांव लोक ताका मेळपाक आनी अपॉयंटमेंट कांय न्ही म्हणल्यार 2-3 म्हयने लागतात ताका मेळपाक. पूण आल्दोनान आमकां आयलो म्हूण आमी ताचे आभारी. तशेंच हे पयलेच फावटी खूब डायबिटीज कॅम्प जाल्ले आहात, पूण एक फायल आनी कित्याक आतां आमकां दिल्ले आहा एक रिकॉर्ड कसो दवरपाक, हें एक बरें कशें दिसता. कित्याक एक सगळें आमचें कितें आमी केन्नाय बिल्स बी कितें आमकां दितात, कितें रेशद बिशद दितात पळय, ते आमी केन्नाय हांगा थंयचो दवरता आनी केन्नाय ती सांडटात. केन्नाय दुसऱ्या खंयच्या दोतोराशी गेल्या आमी ब्लड टेस्ट केला, खंयचोर केला, ते आमी फायलीन कितें घालिना काडटा आनी दवरता खंयचो रिपर्सीन घालता आनी खंय घालता पूण हें एक बरे भाशेन जालें आनी इट इज वेरी गूड फॉर आल्दोना. आय थँक दोतोर कालूस फॉर हीज इनिशिएटीव. थँक यू वेरी मच.
टेस्ट आयचे कॅम्प
एकदम बरें जालें. म्हजी डायबिटीज and I'm a cancer survivor. Doctor has given me some this.
How are the arrangements done? How are the arrangements done?
Okay. Yeah.
What did they advise you?
He told me to, take the exercise and my diet is okay, but only my diabetes is little high. Yeah. Because I am taking treatment from Dr. Jan Menezes, his brother-in-law. Yeah.
So this was useful.
Yeah.
Well, this camp, I think the diabetic camp organized by Advocate Carlos Alvarez Ferreira was an excellent initiative because I've been here as a dietitian and we've met so many different people. A lot of them had, a higher BMI, their blood sugar levels, both fasting and postprandial were high. Some of them were not even aware that they were diabetic. So we were able to advise them with regards to their food. They've also met Dr. Newman and managed their medical part well. So I think such camps are so beneficial for our people and it's an excellent initiative which I would definitely encourage in the future. Thank you. Yes, my advice to the people would be, more than the whole thing of, like I also spoke about it, instead of just this concept of, on and off a diet, there's no such term, but it is our lifestyle that is very important. So what we eat is important. So don't go into these fad diets of, short-term goals, but look for something that will help you long-term. That is, moderation is the key. Eat everything in moderation, know your limit, because that way we can not only, live healthy, but be happy as well. Okay. Yes, so there are so many spices, for example, like we mentioned, methi seeds, okay, which are rich in fiber, which help as with maintenance. We have cinnamon powder, which also has its insulin sensitivity. So all these things work as part of your lifestyle. So you can't say, okay, I'll have this and not, control on my foods, but it's an overall that matters. So it's not just your diet that matters, but when I say lifestyle, it is what you eat through the day, adequate water intake, that is 2 liters of water, okay, 6-7 hours of sleep at night and exercise, because the more we burn out, the better it's going to be. So at least 30 minutes of exercise, which is very important.
Today we were helping people to check the blood pressure, blood sugar, their weight and BMI. Yes. We were helping people to, to check their blood pressure, blood sugar, their weight and height and BMI. Yeah, some people, some of them, they said this is the first time they checked their blood sugar, and they were quite surprised when their blood sugar was high, and some people, they were like their blood sugar was normal. Yeah. Okay, the Dr. Nina gave a very good talk on health. She's a dietitian, on the diet, what diet people have to take. And she mentioned, the diet, exercise and good sleep. The quality sleep is very important for people to maintain their pressure and their high blood sugar.
आयच्या मेडिकल कॅम्पाक आल्दोना इन्स्टिट्यूट इन एसोसिएशन विथ डॉक्टर कार्लोस आल्वारेस कॅम्प केला. ताका बरो रिस्पॉन्स मेळ्ळा आनी हांवूय आयल्लो चॅक करपाक. पयलो मातसो फाटी फुटी जातालो पूण करून बरें दिसलें, कित्याक पॅरामिटर सगळे नॉर्मल मेळ्ळा एंड इट्स अ गूड इनिशिएटीव. रिस्पॉन्स मेळ्ळा त्या हिसपान अशें दिसता की आल्दोनान हेल्थाक लोक खूब इम्पॉर्टन्स दिता आनी health is something which has to be protected, has to be encouraged to see that our people are healthy, because more than any other physical development, it's the health which counts more, that people should live healthy. So हें मनान धरून हो कॅम्प पळय केला ताजें इंटेंशन खूब बरें आहलें. We are thankful to the organizers, and we hope that such things carry on in the field of education and health and म्हणटा केलेंच, so that more people get the benefit, which probably they don't get the likes of expert like Dr. Newman, who was here today to consult. So thank you very much.
Yeah, good afternoon. I am Moses Fernandez, Chef Moses from Aldona. Today I happened to come here for this diabetic camp. I was very surprised that it was very largely attended. Not only that, they were checking all the parameters, blood pressure, post-fasting, sugar, height, weight, and so on. Initially, Dr. Newman and Xavier Figueiredo gave a nice short talk on diabetic awareness. What is to be done, how to detect diabetes, what are the symptoms, and so on. And I think that if everyone takes care of themselves and not rely on medication, we can sort of live happily with diabetes, make it part of your life, and don't take too much tension. I saw a lot of senior citizens here who have diabetes for many years, but they seem to be very happy. And they also were not aware of a lot of things that doctor mentioned today. I think Dr. Carlos Alvarez did a great job by organizing this camp at a very convenient venue. And we would like to thank him for thinking about the public and thinking about the people. And diabetes is one thing that soon India is going to be the capital of diabetes, or diabetic capital of the world. And I am sure Goa being having a very pleasant lifestyle sort of, and I being a chef, I know a lot of people having a good time, and soon Goa also will be a diabetic capital of India. So if we take care of ourselves, maintain small simple things like keeping a gap between meals, being little active, and taking a few tips from today's session, I think we can live with diabetes in a very good and pleasant manner. Thank you.
I thank all the organizers of this camp, because it was a unique opportunity for the community to come and find out whether they have diabetes or not. All the facilities which were available here were very helpful for them. As you know, diabetes is on the rise. And today we could see that so many of our community members did present with high blood sugar. And I hope many of you will take the opportunity of such facilities also in the future. Yeah, we were mainly taking blood sugar, fasting, postprandial, then blood pressure, then height, weight, and circumference, both waist and of the hip. These are all the parameters which are helpful to find out the basal metabolic rate. And then doctor was checking these parameters and guiding accordingly. So we had two professionals who are very good, and we were lucky to work side by side with them. And we also thank Xavier Figueiredo, who has given us this opportunity to participate in this camp. Thank you.
My name is Dipsika Kumare. I am from the St. Bridget Institute, Aldona, and we got the great opportunity to come here to test the diabetes. And we all are students, but we did very well, and we were divided into many groups. Some of them are checking BP, some of them are taking height, circumference and all, and I was checking the blood test. So it is a very great chance that we got, that every person should check their sugar level, because some of them are very frightened to get, like some of them have told like if they will check the sugar, then they have the pressure, like tension. So they should check beforehand. So beforehand they can take the precautions, and as their diet, everything they can control on that. So every citizen should take the blood test. I learned like everything was very smooth and we did well. We handled in very good manner, like whatever we told them, they were like quite matured people all are. So they listened to us and we didn't get panic also, and they didn't make crowded also. So it was a great. Yeah, some of them are doing like purposely, it will pain and all, so it is, yeah, it was good.
I am Alicia. I am from St. Bridget's Institute, Aldona.
My name is Sarika and I am from St. Bridget Institute, Aldona. We got a good opportunity. We got a good opportunity to work as a team member and all, and looking at the elderly people also we got a nice
experience.
So we blood, BP, then waiting and all.
We learned that if many patients come to us, how to take care
and how to handle them
properly.
Some of them were afraid of the needle.
So how did you convince them?
We told them that it will be a little pain, but not that much as. So they were okay with us, what we told, and they cooperated with us.
As a new training, whatever you have learned, is it useful at the practical level?
Yes, very much. Like what is been taught, if we go on practicing in the school, then afterwards when we are out, so we can do the same thing which is been taught to us.
When we alone go to homes and all, it will be useful for us. Yes.
आयज हांगा ह्यो जो डायबिटीक डिटेक्शन कॅम्प घडोवन हाडलो डॉक्टर कार्लोस अल्वारिस फेरेरा यांच्यानी ह्यो जो कॅम्प आयज घडोवन हाडला तितूर लोकांक बरेचशे चॅकअप करूंक मेळ्ळे जे आनी डायबिटीज आजकाल खूब लोकांक असो म्हणजे चडसो हे आडळटा लोकांनी डायबिटीज सो ह्यो एक आजकाल एक इम्पॉर्टंट टेस्ट कसो जावन आसा डायबिटीक डिटेक्शन कॅम्प सो आयज हांगा खूब लोक आयिल्ले आसा आनी तेंच्यांनी ह्यो कॅम्प बरो सक्सेसफूल केलो स्पेशली हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा डॉक्टर कार्लोस अल्वारिस सर हांच्यांनी ह्यो कॅम्प घडोवन हाडलो आनी तेचे टिमीक इवन हाल्दोना इन्स्टिट्यूट हेंच्यांनी हांगा ह्यो कॅम्प अरेंज करपाक तांकां हेल्प केल्लो आसा सगळे लोक जे हांगा आयले कॅम्पाक आनी सपोर्ट केलो आनी हांव स्पेशल थँक्स म्हणटा जे डॉक्टर न्यूमॅन जॉन कुरी जे डॉक्टर हांगा आयिल्ले आसा तांकांय थँक्यू म्हणटा इवन तेंच्या टिमीकूय थँक्यू म्हणटा आनी हो कॅम्प बरो सक्सेसफूल जाल्लो आसा
कॅम्प जाला ते आय वॉज इम्प्रेस्ड बाय तीनूच एक ही फायल दिल्या आनी फायल सांगल्या तुमचे कडेन दवरा परमनंटली केन्ना दोतोरां कशें येता उगलो ते सगळ्यांक ते फायल नासतना हाचे फुडें कितें जोडूंक जाय तें फायलीन जोडचें नंबर 1 दुसरें दोग दोतोर इंग्लिशीन उलयले आनी कोंकणीन उलयता इंग्लिशीन उलयता स्पीच एकदम धाकटी थोडक्यात पूण कितें इम्पॉर्टंट वस्तू सांगूंक जाय त्यो सांगता तेच वचून दोतोर न्यूमॅन उलयलो कोंकणी ताणें कितें सांगूंक जाय तें थोडक्यान सांगलें आतां हें लोकांचेर धरलेलें आहा कितले झिरो येतात आनी कितले आयकून घेतलो पळय तें नांव जोनस ग्रोयर आनी हांव हाल्दोनचो हांव चड पयशे हाल्दोन इन्स्टिट्यूटान हें आयज कॅम्प ऑर्गनायज केला एडवोकेट कार्लोस अल्वारिस आनी जायते बरे दोतोर आयले हांगा न्यूमॅन आनी आमकां ह्यो सोय मेळ्ळो हे आमचे चॅक करपाक डायबिटीज जायते पाट अशें म्हणटात की दर सेकंड दुसरो मनीस डायबिटीक आसता पूण आमकां खबर आसना आनी आमचे जावन आतां आमचे जेवणाच्यो संयो वो हेर दुसरे आमी एक्सरसायज करना वो आमची वखदां घेना वो आवसाय इवन रावता घरा हे कॅम्प जाल्यार आयज तो
आमकां कळलेलें थोडे कडेन आख्खी फामील पासून डायबिटीक न्हूच एक मनीस पूण आख्खी फामील डायबिटीक आनी नीनान आमकां एकदम बरें उलोवप करून सांगलें आमच्या खावन जो पिवन जो हें कांय ना पूण कितें खाता पियेता तें आमी इन मॉडरेशन म्हणजे फावो तितलेंच सांगताय लेवट आमी बरें केलें म्हणत जायना ह्या खातीर मागीर आमची सावत बिगडटा हांव स्वता हे कॅम्प कशेंच आनी थोड्या तेंपान नव्यान करतले फॉलोअप कशें आनी सगळो हाचो फायदो घेतलो देव बरें.
I'm Nivet Alvarez from Kojwe. When I heard about the camp, I was really happy because Dr. Newman is one of the most reputed doctor around, and my husband goes to him for diabetes treatment. So I thought of bringing my mother here, and the arrangement is really beautiful. They are giving files with all the diet details and plus a healthy breakfast. They're keeping time, specific time to do the second test after 2 hours of the breakfast. Really well organized, well managed program.
How important it is for doing this checkup?
Diabetes checkup is important because if your diabetes count is high, then there are a lot of side effects for health, like vision and other internal organs also get damaged. So time to time checkup of diabetes is necessary.
कित्याक आयले तुमी?
आमी आयले डायबिटीज चेक करपाक.
How important it is to check?
To take care of our health.
आज कितें केलां तुका?
आयज म्हाका सगळें केलां वेट काडल्या हायट काडल्या मेजरमेंट घेतला स्टोमक आनी फेस.
कसले कॅम्प आसले?
डायबिटीज कॅम्प.
How important to check diabetes? How important it is?
It's very important. We don't know what we are consuming, what we are eating, and how the diabetes is going up. After consulting, you come to know what you are having.
I am Newman, and I'd like to thank Carlos and the people of Aldona for cooperating and giving us a very good response. Although we started at 8, I was quite impressed to see over 50 people already waiting to be registered. And this is one of the few camps where I've seen excellent attendance, very good organization, a very good turnout in terms of not only people turning up but staying till the end. And a very good presentation was presented by the dietitian, who emphasized that diabetics can eat everything provided they know what they're eating and then learn to burn it with exercise, contrary to the myth that you cannot eat. From my side, I urge people to focus on what they can do in terms of diet, in terms of exercise, and then look for a result and for a solution from us as doctors. That way we minimize drugs, we minimize use of insulin, and where necessary we use insulin when only required. This way all win. I would like to thank you all once again for having me, and as we've discussed in the meeting, I hope to see you all again. Most important take-home message of diabetes would be, it's nothing to be fearful of. Look after yourselves and then the doctor can look after you. Make sure your eyes and feet are looked after every year, and make sure you get your kidneys and your cholesterol checked at least once a year.
Now that we have reached the conclusion and we are about to wind up, people are still queued up waiting to see Dr. Newman. We have had a total number of 100 registrations which were done till last night, and the walk-ins was 75. So a total of 175 people have come and availed of the camp. People have been very happy because first thing is, many people who had problems of their sugar not only got instructions from the nutritionalist but also from Dr. Newman after doing the testing on fasting and also after post meal. And definitely all of you know that Dr. Newman is the best diabetologist, endocrinologist, and we had an opportunity to present Dr. Newman. कितले लोक आसा थिंगा अपॉइंटमेंट घेतात डॉक्टर न्यूमना कडेन. म्हाका सांगलेले जानेवारी फेब्रुवारीन अपॉइंटमेंट दितात, पूण आतां दारार आयलो तो डॉक्टर न्यूमन, लोकांक बेनिफीट जालो लोक खुशाल जालो आनी म्हाका सांगलां आनी असले कॅम्प करपाचे आनी रिपीट पासून करपाचे. आय वॉज थिंकींग म्हाका दिसलो म्हाका एक 100 लोक अशें येतले म्हण आनी ऑलमोस्ट 100 हांव चिंतलो ना 100 टच जातले म्हण इतले रिस्पॉन्स ओवरवेलमींग रिस्पॉन्स चोयन इतले 175 म्हण overshot the expectations. They had sugar testing on fasting, then they did height, weight, then all the other measurements. They also did blood pressure, weight, BMI, BMR calculations, and we provided breakfast also at the venue, a diabetic specialist breakfast in consultation with our nutritionist, Dr. Nina Figueiredo Icrasto, and on her advice we provided a very good substantial breakfast, and after that, after 2 hours, testing kele teche परत. I think we will have people so लोकांक डॉक्टरान एडवायस दिला आनी डायटिशना जेवणाचें आनी सगळें सांगलां. डॉक्टरान पासून सांगलां आमकां सगळ्यांक एक्सरसायज करपाचें. म्हाका दिसता अशें करून सगळे आमी डॉक्टराचें एडवायस घेवन आमकां मागीर स्लोली आमकां वखदाची गरज नासतली आनी वखदाची गरज जाल्यार सामकें वखद केन्ना घेवपाचें कितको घेवपाचें तें सगळें म्हाका दिसता आमचे लोक आमचे भलायकी लोकांचे मागीर बेश्टे हॉस्पिटलांत एडमीट करपाचें नाका. आनी तूं जाणा ते डायबिटीज जाता तेन्ना सगळे बॉडी एफेक्ट जाता, पँक्रियस, लिवर सगळें. मागीर लोक डायलिसिसा वयता, मागीर कोणाचे आयकलां बोटां काट केले, पांय काट केला, तेश करून सगळे प्रॉब्लेम जाता आनी फॅमिली एफेक्ट जाता. सो म्हाका दिसता लोकांना फायदो घेयलो आनी लोक बरें करून तेंगे लायफ फुडें घेतले. I don't want to praise my tale, but I want to thank Dr. Newman for coming and giving us this valuable camp. I also want to thank the nutritionist Nina Figueiredo. I want to thank in particular Savio Figueiredo. Savio Figueiredo भरपूर केला, म्हाका सगळे इनपुट्स दिला आनी तेणें सांगलां तें कितें करपाचें कितें हाडपाचें आनी तेण पासून ग्लुकोमिटर, टेस्टिंग स्ट्रिप्स, मागीर ते सुयो आहात ते निडल आहात तेय हाडलां स्पॉन्सरशिपान आनी आमकां भरपूर हेल्प केला आनी लोकांनी फायदो घेयला. मागीर सातिरा आमचे सेंट ब्रिजिट इंस्टिट्यूट नर्सिंग इंस्टिट्यूटाचे ती आयल्या तिगे टीम घेवन आनी मागीर आनी भरपूर लोक आशिल्ले ते आमचे श्रेया मांद्रेकर, श्रीकांत मांद्रेकर मोयडेचे आमचे ब्रेकफास्ट केले ते, आमचे वॉलंटियर आशिल्ले ते आनी आल्दोना इंस्टिट्यूटान म्हज्या निसोरो जायना सिद्धार्थ शेट तेणी इतले बेगीन वय म्हणला आमकां इंस्टिट्यूट दिला आनी तेच बरोबर आल्दोना इंस्टिट्यूटा बरोबर आमी कोलॅबोरेशन करून हो इतलो बरो कॅम्प डायबिटीज कॅम्प घडोवन हाडला.
So what we wanted to do here was a diabetic camp with a difference, not a run-of-the-mill camp, but something